Show that the inverse of the hyperbolic tangent of x is 1/2 ln of 1 plus x over 1 minus x for x strictly between -1 and 1. This is the domain of the hyperbolic tangent of x. To show that the inverse is the right-hand side, we first start with let y be hyperbolic tangent inverse of x. Usually with the inverse, we will need to rewrite it. This means hyperbolic tangent of y equals x. That is what it means. What we need to do now is to show that y is 1/2 ln of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. To do that, we will need to use the definition of the hyperbolic tangent of x. The hyperbolic tangent of x is defined to be e to the x minus e to the negative x over e to the x plus e to the negative x. And so if we have hyperbolic tangent of y, then this is e to the y minus e to the negative y over e to the y plus e to the negative y, because the input is now y. With this, we can rewrite this equation, hyperbolic tangent of y equals x, as e to the y minus e to the negative y over e to the y plus e to the negative y equals x. Naturally, if we want to isolate y at this stage, we would need to multiply the denominator to the other side, and so that e to the y minus e to the negative y equals x times e to the y plus e to the negative y. And then let's distribute it to see what happens. E to the y minus e to the negative y equals x e to the y plus x e to the negative y. There is a trick that we employ often with this type of problem, and that is we would multiply both sides of the equation with e to the y only, hoping to cancel out the negative for now. And so this is e to the y times e to the y, which is e to the 2y. The e to the y times e to the negative y is 1. X e to the 2y plus x. At any step, remember that the goal is to isolate y. We have two terms with y now. In order to isolate y, we would combine them. And so we have e to the 2y minus x e to the 2y equals 1 plus x. We move the negative 1 to the right and x e to the 2y to the left. We then factor out e to the 2y to get 1 minus x equals 1 plus x. This is promising because it looks almost what we are looking for inside ln. Isolate e to the 2y, we have 1 plus x over 1 minus x. Ln both sides of the equation, we have 2y equals ln of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. And y itself is 1/2 ln of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. But what is y? We let y be hyperbolic tangent inverse of x, and so we can rewrite it as hyperbolic tangent inverse of x. And then the right hand side is 1/2 ln of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. But this is the given equation, so we are done.